What if just 1 cup a week could transform your struggling houseplants into lush, fast-growing beauties? It sounds unbelievable, but many gardeners swear by this simple, natural plant tonic. Instead of spending money on expensive fertilizers, you can make an easy, nutrient-rich solution using common kitchen ingredients. When used correctly, it encourages stronger roots, greener leaves, and healthier overall growth. The secret isn't just what you feed your plants, it's how often and how much. Stay until the end, because I'll also share the biggest mistake that can actually harm your plants if you overdo it. Tip number 1. Use rice water. One of the easiest natural plant boosters is plain rice water. After rinsing uncooked rice, save the cloudy water instead of pouring it down the drain. It contains small amounts of starch, vitamins, and minerals that help nourish beneficial soil microbes. Let the water sit for a few hours before using it. Once a week, pour about 1 cup around the base of medium-sized houseplants. Avoid salted or seasoned rice water. Used in moderation, this gentle fertilizer can improve soil health and encourage stronger root development over time. Tip number 2. Feed the soil, not the leaves. Always pour your weekly cup directly onto the soil instead of spraying it over the leaves. Plant roots absorb nutrients much more efficiently than foliage. Water slowly around the edge of the pot, so the roots receive even moisture. If the soil is extremely dry, lightly water it first before applying your nutrient solution. This helps nutrients spread evenly throughout the growing medium. Healthy roots mean healthier stems, brighter foliage, and faster overall plant growth. Tip number 3. Only once per week. More isn't always better. Giving natural fertilizer every day can leave excess organic matter in the soil, attracting fungus gnats or causing unpleasant odors. A single cup once each week is enough for most indoor plants during their active growing season. During winter, reduce feeding because plant growth naturally slows down. Following a consistent schedule helps plants grow steadily without overwhelming their roots. Tip number 4. Pair it with bright light. Even the best fertilizer won't work miracles if your plant lacks enough light. Most popular houseplants, like Pothos, Philodendrons, Monsteras, peace lilies, and spider plants, thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Place them near a bright window where they receive several hours of filtered light each day. Good lighting allows plants to convert nutrients into new leaves, stems, and roots much more efficiently. Fertilizer supports growth, but light powers it. Tip number 5. Don't forget proper watering. Natural fertilizers work best when combined with proper watering habits. Check the soil before watering by inserting your finger about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait another day or 2. Overwatering is one of the most common reasons plants stop growing. Healthy roots need both moisture and oxygen to thrive, so always use pots with drainage holes. Growing beautiful plants doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the simplest habits make the biggest difference. A single cup of natural rice water once a week, combined with proper lighting and watering, can help many houseplants grow stronger, greener, and healthier over time. Remember, consistency is far more important than using large amounts of fertilizer. Try this easy routine for a few weeks and watch your plants respond with fresh new growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy plant care tips that really work.